I never owned a Tesla before and I just got one, but don't ask me why. Well, maybe because I never had it and I wanted to try. Well, this one came out of corporate auction. It's a 2022 Model 3 long range dual motor. So I'll show you guys the car. We need a lot of bundle to fix this thing. Yeah, but honestly, the damage is a lot worse than I was expecting. I gotta open this door. I think I'm just gonna pull the bolts, those two, and kind of open from the back. Pull that door out. Doesn't look like the rear seat is pushed or anything, so it's only like over here up to maybe over there, but still we'll have to change the whole quarter panel. The frame guy was here and he showed us where we're gonna cut because we're gonna have to buy this whole side. So the door needs to come out, the seat, all the plastics from this side, the seats in the back, and the carpet I'll have to roll it somehow. Now I'm gonna focus on the suspension. I gotta lift this up, take the wheel off and see what's damaged because I need to go buy suspension, but for now I don't know what to get. Look at this. Damage, broken. This one is bent, this one is bent, this one is broken, and that one is broken. And I need this, the holds the stabilizer. The shock is bent. Everything with braking is good. So it looked scary, but actually I'm kind of happy. The damage didn't go that deep. Like all this is good. This is where the damage is. The lines are not cut. The subframe is good. So it's not that bad. Going to pick up the Tesla parts. Basically I got everything from the same guy. Kinda gave me a good deal for buying so much at the same time. All the little things they put inside the cab, but this big piece is going in the bed. I don't need this to be this big, but I always tell them to cut bigger. I dropped the side panel to the shop where it's gonna be replaced. The suspension is over here. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this for the first time, and tomorrow morning I'll be back to work on it. Suspension is 100% done. Everything installed. Surprisingly, everything went super easy, which means none of those brackets are bent. Gonna put the wheel, drop it. We drop the car on the wheel, but I can't really drive yet. So this thing is still charging. I'm using a regular plug. Just washed the door that I bought. The front one is good. The rear one has like a little dent over here and there. Car is ready to go get this panel changed, and nothing should be in his way. So this thing doesn't start. It shows me to put the card over there. I have the card, putting where it's supposed to be, and it keeps showing me that, which means it doesn't read the card. And the parking brake is locked, so the rear wheels doesn't spin. Somehow I have to put it in the trailer. I'll have to unlock the brakes, the electric brakes, so I kind of have the idea how to do it, but never did it, so we'll see if it's gonna work. Took the wheel out. Now I'm gonna have to unplug the brakes. All right, the brakes are released. So when you do that, you have to do both of the wheels, not just one, which they're both done. You doing okay over there?
Yeah.
All right, don't crash. We are here. Next time you'll see this car is gonna be a little different on this side. That's the skin, it's already out. That's the whole piece that I bought. And they're still gonna have to take some more parts out of this. This is gonna go onto the car. And I believe this corner over here. So as you see, this is where the skin goes. They did have to change the center part and then that right there. The car is home, is looking good. All the gaps are perfect. They did a really good job. Look all those cuts, man. They're so clean. So that's gonna save us a lot of money on the paint job. We don't have to paint the car actually because it's a color match and they did a really clean job. We're gonna paint this so it doesn't rust and then cover with the gloss. Same thing over here. It has a piece of gloss that's gonna cover. The only paint job is gonna be right there with the little blend this way and that way. I'll show you if you open the door. Right there, and the plastic is gonna cover, so even with the blend, it's gonna look nice and clean. What's left, put this thing together, wash it, and of course I wanna buff it, that way it's all nice and shiny. I got all the Tesla parts from the shop because I'm planning to finish the car in my garage instead of like going to the shop every day. That way it will get done a little faster. Like I said, this is just so it doesn't rust because this will get covered. Alright, so I did finish everything inside except the door panels. Before I get to the door panels, I want to install the plastic that goes under. I need to install the dirt guard. And I took this wheel to a shop for them to fix it because it's bent over here and it has scratches all over. They said $200 to fix this wheel. And the tire has cut over here, so I don't know if that's gonna be good or not, which means I need another $200 maybe for a tire because they're Michelin, they're not cheap. So it was cheaper to buy a used one that looks new. Same thing with the tire in a really good condition. So I'll have to swap that. That's the last time working at home on the cars. Look at this mess. Parts all over. Tools everywhere. I don't like that. I thought for sure I'm gonna complete the car today, but I just realized that this plastic that goes over here, it's cracked. Not the door panel. Door panel is good. It's just the plastic from inside. And I'll have to go get one. So a little bit of drive video. Now I'm at 69 and yo, dude, that's crazy. They're fast from the start. I mean, everybody knows that because all-wheel drive and stuff, but not only like from 70 to 100 something, that's crazy. I got the alignment done, so now everything is perfect on this thing. The steering wheel is standing straight, and even if I like let go, it will drive on a straight line without even touching the steering wheel. It doesn't pull to the side or anything. This is perfect. So there is the car. It is complete. I did add the bottom lip. Nothing too flashy, but it's there. I changed the chrome to the black logo. Same thing in the back. Nothing was done on this side. As you guys remember, the damage was on the passenger side. I'll get over there and show you guys how everything got fixed. I did had some dents over here from a BB gun or something. Like 3 or 4 over there, so the bottom was painted. There's another dent over there, but it got fixed without being painted. So that was changed, as you guys remember, and the paint job was only the bottom. So that's the part that was paint, and I'm gonna remove that. There was some wall points that everything got painted. Now this thing looks like original. Same thing over here. Everything was done nicely. And there you have it. One color. Can't even tell the difference. Well, everything is original color except the bottom, but good paint match. We did buff the whole car to get rid of all the little scratches, tint the windows. I even have them add a strip on the front. We went with 50 in the front, 5, and then 5 on the back. Let me know how you like it. But it did change the car inside. It looks so much better, and then it doesn't get as hot because the whole roof is glass, and if you don't have this windows tinted, then the sun is just hitting everything inside with the black interior. It's just crazy. Now it's a lot better like that. And there she is, 100% complete. We didn't have to do nothing inside. We had no airbags deployed. So this is how it looks inside. I mean, we did had some plastic removed to get the job done, but everything, it's in. Basically, we're done here. All right, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one, which is coming pretty soon.